This is breaking news. I am Paul Smith, and here is the breaking news. People have been reported to be rising from their graves and attacking other humans, with no pulse or sign of being alive. In other news, a bank was robbed just downtown, claiming the vault contained infinite money and government secrets.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Washington State Police. People who are confirmed to be dead have started rising from their graves and are confirmed to be extremely hostile. Police and the FBI are being sent out to deal with this threat. Do not attempt to apprehend these bodies yourself, as you may be putting your own life at risk. Lock all doors and windows, and bring all pets inside. If one of these bodies break into your home, you are authorized to use lethal force. Stay tuned to local media or news outlets for more information on the current situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Centers for Disease Control. A disease involving the bodies has been spreading, in which the bodies bite the humans and infect them with a disease that turns them into one of these bodies, almost like a zombie virus. The type of transmission at this time is unknown, however, it could be airborne. Get inside and lock all doors and windows. Seal up any cracks with tape or a cloth, and block up your chimney. Rations from the government will be delivered every week on Fridays. If you have any firearms, be sure to keep them on you at all times, as these bodies may try and break into your home. If you do not have a firearm, move to a basement with your emergency rations and remain hidden. Call 911 if a body breaks into your home. We are currently trying to defuse the situation and apprehend these bodies. Stay tuned to local media or news outlets for more information. We thank you for your cooperation.
Xenodaki, you may have not been out to this hill, but I am not out for the count. Mark my words, Xeno, I will eventually make it out of here and destroy you once and for all, and those stupid humans must die in disgrace at the hands of the virus I have created.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The zombie virus that has originated in Washington has now spread to the rest of the United States.
You're tuning into Channel 9 News. I am Paul Smith, and today's updates on the current zombie situation are of significant importance. The CDC has confirmed that the zombie disease is in fact airborne, and some of the zombies are beginning to strangely evaporate out of existence. We don't know why this is happening, but we can only hope that this is a good thing for us. Hold on, it seems like we're receiving an emergency alert broadcast. We will now let it play. This is Paul Smith, signing off.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Evacuate immediately. Angry Munci has returned from hell and killed off all of the zombies. Angry Munci goes as fast as 360 miles per hour, or 1/10 of a mile per second. Another strange entity has also taken over, whose name is supposedly Hazon.
We rule this world now, you human don't stand a chance against us. Xenodaki and Angry Munci, we are God. Xenodaki will not save you. Running will make it harder for yourself. The faster you run, the faster we get you. We shall now infect you all with our virus, and you will be our zombie minion.
Hazo. We meet again. I thought I killed you off centuries ago. So you're the one responsible for causing this virus?
No, that won't be Munci. No, this time, you lose. Hazo and I are the ones sending you to hell this time. Prepare to feel our wrath. Oh no, I must warn you, as we speak at battle, the virus is rapidly spreading across the earth. There is nothing you can do now.
Damn it. I guess I gotta fight this out. I can't have these two rotten bastards lurking across all of the universe. My superiors will lose their minds.
This is breaking news. I am Paul Smith, and now for the breaking news. The newly remade zombie virus has been confirmed to be giving the victims reality-breaking superpowers, depending on the blood type of each victim before they became undead. And lastly, mind manipulation. That's all I have for now. This is Paul Smith, signing off.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Canadian government. The zombie outbreak that originated in Washington has now made its way into Canada. These zombies are confirmed to have reality-breaking powers, and will torture you and kill you. Lock all doors, windows, and seal up any cracks, as this virus is airborne. Rations will be delivered by the government every Friday. These rations include non-perishable food, water, and medications for those whom have the proper accommodations. We thank you for your cooperation at this time.
Le message suivant est transmis à la demande du gouvernement canadien. L'épidémie de zombies, née à Washington, s'est maintenant propagée au Canada. Il est confirmé que ces zombies ont des pouvoirs qui brisent la réalité et vous tortureront et vous tueront. Verrouillez toutes les portes et fenêtres et colmatez toutes les fissures, car ce virus est aéroporté. Les rations seront livrées par le gouvernement tous les vendredis. Ces rations comprennent de la nourriture non périssable, de l'eau et des médicaments pour ceux qui disposent d'un logement approprié.
Wanted to show me something, hello? Yes, here, I have brought someone for you.
Munci. It's been a little while, old friend.
Hello, Brian. Oh my god, it's you, I can't believe it.
Thanks to Hazo. He was the one who brought me back and told me everything. That Xeno is dead.
Would you like to repeat that, Hero Brian?
Or must we force it out of you? Because trust me, you're not gonna lay a finger on this universe.
Will you survive and to win this polar?
No. Not again. This is the same guy who sniped me. Steve. He was Xeno's superior all along?
Surprise, surprise, motherfucker, did you miss me?
I was just saying hi to them. I'll be on my way now. Sorry to bother you, Steve.
Just killed humanity's fate. Let pathetic weapon and its people get perished together.
The following message is transmitted at the request of what is left of the United States government. Our country has fallen. Military and government services will no longer be providing you rations. You are on your own from now on. The zombie virus has spread rapidly and has infected all of the United States. We can only hope that one day our society will be rebuilt once more and rise again, stronger than ever. To those who still remain, goodbye and good luck.
The following message is transmitted at the request of His Majesty's government. Unfortunately, the worst has come to pass. The zombie virus, which has been officially dubbed Xenodaki virus, or K25HZVI, has overpowered all of the United Kingdom. This country will soon follow the United States into peril. To those who remain, goodbye, and good luck.
Hello and thank you for tuning into Channel 9 News. I'm Brian Johnson, and today's updates on the current zombie virus are of major importance. A vaccine has indeed been made for K25HZVI and is currently being delivered across the United States and the rest of the world. We are hoping this virus will be over soon, and the rest of us that remain in this world can rebuild as quickly as this is all said and done. That's all I have for now. This is Brian Johnson, signing off.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the
You had enough yet? Or should we keep beating you? You got two choices, the easy way or the hard way. The choice is yours. Easy to walk away, living, and hard, get sent back to the devil.
Dude, what if I happy to your voice? You sound like a bit of your phone. But if it makes you happy, we'll choose me anyway. But don't try to suit you when you end up getting your asses handed back to you by us. May we meet again, Zeno and Steve.
Well, Xeno, it's time we head back to the council. We'll just say they gave us the slip. The humans have their vaccines, they'll be okay. We gotta get a move on.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. All clear. I repeat, all clear. It is now safe to exit your shelters at this time. Stay tuned to local media or news outlets for more information.
This is breaking news. I am Brian Johnson, and here's today's news. The sky has randomly gone dark, nearly pitch black, as if it was nighttime. We don't know why this is happening, but it is advised that you
The following message is transmitted at the request of the local police department. The sky, at this time, has for some reason gone near pitch black. As a safety precaution, it is advised that you take shelter immediately, as it may not be safe to stay outdoors for as long as this anomaly is occurring. Stay tuned to local media or news outlets for more information. We thank you for your cooperation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the local police department. A hijacking of all television stations are taking place, in which the screen shows a zombie.
You stupid human thought we were gone. Well, not so sorry to burst your bubble, but we're on this universe now. We've got exposure since the last time we have appeared, and this time, you stand no chance against us. You are all dead. So, my friend, we're on this planet, so we start our zombie virus. I say we start there. An interesting choice is you're the most glad, which means we'll have the most fun at our hand. Good thinking. Indeed, wait until they find out it's accelerated by sleep, which drives them many to illegal withdrawal.
The following message is transmitted by the request of His Majesty's government. After angry Munci and Xenodaki have announced their return in the United States, They have created another zombie virus in Europe. However, unlike the previous virus, this new virus is accelerated by sleep. This acceleration is being studied, but the cause at this time is unknown. In order to prevent yourself from catching this virus, lock all doors, windows, and seal up any cracks with tape or a wet, damp cloth. Wear face masks at all times, and avoid large gatherings. Rations will be delivered by the government every Friday. Please stay tuned for further updates.
Le message suivant est transmis à la demande.
What the hell? Why are they still zombie-like? They should be cured. No!
Are we ready to destroy this pathetic planet? Yes, go live, you stupid human!
Hold it right there, bucko. You bastards aren't doing any more harm to this planet.
So, you got to get your ass handed to you, you're good.
Damn, they're too strong. I can't win. But he can.
Go, silly!
Fuck. He has a fog ability. He definitely escaped by now. Damn that bastard. We need to go search now. Hold on, I'm getting a report from the council. Evolto escaped containment. Shit. This is not good. Come on, Prince Ghidorah. We got to jet.